let's make a Tortured Poets Department slime. Let's first add our glue, which is down bad. And then let's add our Snow Fizz, which is so high school. Don't mind my voice being scratchy, I'm losing it. And now let's add some Tortured Poets Department tears. And this dye right here I got from Florida. And here's our finished Tortured Poets Department slime. I guess you could say it's right out of the slammer.